Last week, I woke up at 3 a.m. Again 0.4 hours every morning just keeping the lights on. 0.5 AI websites. 1 server bill. 0 sleep. My wife asked why I looked scared. I told her I was just checking my credit card. The turning point was stupid. I was doom scrolling GitHub at 2 a.m. Saw a random post about CogCloud. Thought it was a prank, clicked. Tested. Watched my bill drop to 0. From 4 hours every morning to 11 minutes. No joke. 11 minutes that I took my kid to school for the first time in 6 months. Sat in the parking lot and cried, not because I was sad. Because I forgot what morning light felt like, running 5 sites on $0. That's the headline, but the real story is having time to breathe. Subscribe if you've ever worked through dinner. I'll show you how next week.